find your unique email address in Chime CRM. So first things first, log into Chime CRM, which is something you're going to do by opening up your web browser and navigating to Chime CRM login page. You'll have to enter in your username, password to log in. As of now, what Chime CRM has done is that they have moved and shifted to Lofty solution right here. Basically, they have partnered up and changed up their CRM into Lofty. But if you have an account on Chime CRM, the worst part about Lofty is the fact that to sign in, you will have to request a demo. And that is only going to be done if you send in your basic details and you get to speak with their productivity expert or sales expert, and then they reach out to you. So that's like a very long process. But the easy way to simply figure out the email address is for you to log into your Chime CRM, and you're going to head over to navigate to their profile settings. After logging in, you're going to click onto the profile icon. Usually that is onto the dashboard area on the top right hand corner of the dashboard. So this is basically how the dashboard of Chime CRM looks like. What you're going to do is you're going to click on this profile icon right here. And from here, you're going to navigate onto your email settings. Email settings might be into the email integration tab. And in there, you're going to click on and locate to your unique email address, which would look something like your name at your company name .chime.crm.com. All you'll have to do is simply copy and use that specific email address, which is absolutely unique to your own name and your company's domain name. So let's just say your name is Jane Doe at vaseline.chimecrm.com. You can just quickly navigate that by going into your profile settings, and then into your email settings and just locating that. So that's it. Easy way to find out your unique email address on Chime CRM.